Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today I got a package from Southwire and I want to show you guys what is inside, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so the two things that I did receive in the package was the professional datacom snips and the precision voltage detector and tester. After removing it from the package, I did realize that the scissors did have a spring mechanism, which was pretty nice, but it was a little bit hard to open them. I'm not sure if that's just the way they were made or if they were just new. So that could be a possibility. I did cut some cardboard with it. I'm pretty sure it's not made for that specifically, but it did the job just fine. I did move on to cutting some wire with it, and it did amazing and made nice straight cuts, and without the wire inside it worked effortlessly. Also, if you have to cut some of the jacket off, if you are stripping the wire, same thing, works just fine, works great, has a nice cutting blade on it. These scissors do seem to be made out of nice quality materials, metal on the handles, and then a plastic grip on the right side. It does have a locking mechanism, which I didn't think I was going to like, but it didn't seem to bother me too much after using it for a few minutes. It doesn't seem to get in the way while you're trying to cut, so that's great. I did try to loosen the screw to loosen the blade to see if it would close or open a little bit easier, but I didn't have any luck. It was on there pretty tight, so I went ahead and skipped it. Moving on to the voltage tester, I noticed it felt great right out of the package in my hand. It does come with batteries and the testing prongs. After grabbing a screwdriver, I went ahead and flipped it over and removed the screw to put in the batteries. So that was pretty easy and straightforward. Putting in the batteries went well, and then put the cover back on and tighten it down. Once I flipped it over, all I did was hold the button to turn it on, which took me a few seconds to realize that. At first I didn't think it was working. And then to put in the testing prongs, you just have to remove the little protectors that they come with and then go ahead and push those in. As you heard, there is a continuity setting, which is nice, and then to snap the testers onto the back was a little bit challenging, but the harder you push, it seems to hold it just fine. Moving on to the voltage tester, it did seem a little bit finicky trying to find the metal in the receptacle, so I definitely wouldn't risk my life on this if I had to determine if a circuit was hot or not. One complaint that I would say for sure is these tester sticks are extremely flimsy, and I wasn't very impressed with that. Even just wiggling the tip seems pretty flimsy. One thing that I really did like was the non-contact voltage tester. As you can see here, it turns red when it is on something live and stays green when it is not. And it does make a beeping noise. It does come with a flashlight built in. If you hold down the mode button, it is easy to switch between the voltage tester, the non-contact voltage tester, and the continuity tester. Holding down the flashlight button does turn on the backlight for the LED screen, and holding it down once again turns it off. Alright guys, that's going to end off today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. Once again, thank you to Southwire for sending out these tools. I can't wait to use them in the field and around the house. If you guys are interested, I will include Amazon links down below in the description if you want to check them out. If not, no worries. Just thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys back in the next video. Check down below in the description also for my social medias in the link tree, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much for all your continued support. I truly appreciate it. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do things like this and also provide an awesome tool wall. So thank you guys so much for your continued support. It means the world to me to be supporting me and supporting my dreams of one day becoming a YouTuber. Thanks guys so much. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace.